Welcome to some magical movement. Let's get started right away. Already moving dynamically. Just bring your knee up, sweep your arm across your body. We're gonna focus on building some inner energy. There it is already, bringing a smile to our faces with some real gentle, light movement, but done with real attention and focus. Ooh. Begin to look to the side, building great mobility in our upper back, spine. Breathe in and out, in and out. I'm on this beautiful spot. There's people ice fishing over there, people coming by skiing. It's all happening. And look at us, just moving in dynamic ways. Now, let's have some fun. Come up onto one foot, reach your arm out, engage your core, building a little balance, and think of getting long in the movement as well. See if you can't feel your body lengthening, decompressing, while we continue to create balance, mobility. Ooh, and let's already move in to a nice movement to create some strength. Make a nice fist when you bring your hands up. See if you can't give your backside a little kick. Balance and strength here. Come up a little bit as well. Feel yourself getting longer while you build and create this amazing balance. We want to make that fist so we continue to build great grip strength for nothing other than carrying our groceries home. If you can find a bar or something to hang from, it truly is a wonderful movement to help to build grip strength, core stability. Okay, are you ready? Let's pick up the pace a little bit, just like we were going for that evening walk, but bring that leg up nice and high. Swing your arms with intention. Move around your space also. If you're indoors and you have shoes on, take them off. Go barefoot. I am not going barefoot today. Maybe. I don't mind in the snow for a little bit. Be adventuresome, be curious, move in dynamic ways. Embrace the cold and the heat and everything that is presented to us. If you can, maybe start to bring a tiny little skip to your step. I have a skip on one side, not on the other, so join me. Just do your very best. There we go. All right, nicely done. Step to the side. Open up your arms real big. See if you can't bring your shoulder blades together. Head up high. Let's move a little bit of pace. A little bounce. Yeah. There we go. Getting that energy up. Boosting that mood. We got it. Let's go. Okay, well done. Oh, widen your stance a bit. Point your toes out. Sumo sun, I like to call this. Nice sumo squat. Bring the arms up like the sun overhead. Get as low as you can. Oh, I have not been able to do this movement in some time. It is glorious. Breathe in and out. In and out. Find a nice flow that works for you. Connect to your breath. Feel all that energy inside of you. Oh. Get a little lower. Look up a little higher. Full body awareness, full body movement. Ooh, yeah. Last one here, all your attention, all your focus. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Ah, and let it all out. Hold it there for a moment. Just look. And now bring your feet in just a little bit and begin to shift your body weight from side to side with your arms up in the sky. Feel that in the side body. Loosening up the back. Yeah. Okay, let's take that a little bit further. Step, side bend, and reach. Tap your foot out as far as you can. Reach up. Try to keep your hand behind your head. You're gonna feel that in the upper back and the shoulders, generating more mobility. Again, just do what you can. And can we get a little playful? Really stretch that body down and over. Yeah. And a little bit of pace. Nicely done. Okay. Oh, since we saw these skiers go by, I'm gonna try. So the movement, that's the one, Drew. Ooh, 1 foot forward, other arm goes forward. There we go. This would be a great time to jump into it, a skier jack. I don't have that movement in me quite yet, but stepping, bringing the arm up. There we go. Head up high, real intentional. Tap that toe and go with a bit of pace and begin to really reach that arm up nice and high. There. A little faster. Ooh, actually for me, it's gotta be a little slower. Just accept where you're at. That's all right. Things are still a little limited. No problem. Keep showing up day by day. We'll get a little stronger, a little more mobile. Maybe a little bit more compassionate with ourselves. Okay, well done. I'm gonna continue skiing, but using my arms and just shifting from side to side. If you can come up onto the balls of your feet, keep your heels off the ground. Great for ankle mobility, building that great core stability and balance. But swing those arms nicely too. Notice and connect to your breath. Yeah. Bring the arms up a little higher. Yeah. Well done. Okay. Oh, let's just crisscross our arms. Shake your legs out down below. Oh, as we finish off this session, give your legs a little kick. You got it. Now, really reach across, give yourself a hug. Head up high. Oh, real deep breath in. Exhale out. Really deep in. Let it go, exhale. One last one all together. Breathe in deeply. Hold it, suspend the breath. Exhale. Oh, get very soft, very gentle. Pick one of the reeds here. Give it laser-like attention for just a moment, all together. Just notice, just be. Notice the beating of your heart. Gently breathe in. Exhale, let it out. One more all together. Breathe in, notice. Exhale. We did it again. Well done. Thank you for being here. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.